Om Shri Sai Ram. How are you all doing, my dear friends? Whatever may be the situation, it is the power of man to rise up and come winning over the situation. Art is something that is a good pastime for all of us. So welcome to the episode of Easy DIY Art and Craft. Just take the word earth. The word earth would mean nothing without the art in the center. So our lives also is about doing things on our own. That is why it is called as do it yourself, DIY, right? And today we have Nandhini who will be making a beautiful flower vase from what? From a plastic bottle. Can you imagine? It is such a wonderful piece of art, and during these times when we are so stressed out, I think it is a wonderful option to try all this so that our mind is focused on more creative things. But I am sure you all must be waiting to see how to make this art form. So stay tuned, watch till the end and enjoy the entire episode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and give it the comments below like what all you have tried personally and whether you are going to try this particular art or not and how it came out. Give all those details in the comments. Share it with your family and friends. And finally, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe because you're going to get a lot of wonderful information in various aspects pertaining to life. Stay tuned, stay fine. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.